GPT-3 the next big thing. GPT-3, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, is a deep learning AI system that OpenAI trained by providing data from large numbers of websites. Indeed, what distinguishes GPT-3 from its predecessors is not the fundamental technology, but the huge number of parameters on which it is built. Tools built using GPT-3 technology will change the way content is created, and the reduction in content delivery time will be extraordinary and talked about for a long time. Marketing managers will be able to advise their copywriters to focus on discovering the finest potential ideas rather than rushing them to create blog articles in enormous volumes and under tight deadlines. Epsilon code is a unique approach to writing Python code. Otherside AI, the best email marketing solution. Otherside AI is ideal for marketing firms that rely significantly on email marketing. AI Channel, a new way to communicate with your clients. AI channels, powered by OpenAI technology, enable people to engage with AI that is responsive and answers complicated inquiries. Interested in more use cases? Visit us https://www.texprt.com